And what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Edit more, create more, organize more.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
What's up? What's up? It's Javi Mack. I'm here with
Alphonso Layz.
How's it going, man? You fresh today, man. Got all the chains. Oh, you glistening on the suit. Like, look, this man fresh. Look, oh man, this is dope. I like that, man.
Always, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
So I came here to take care of business, you know? Nominated again, independent male creator. I'm trying to take that home.
As you should.
Damn right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for all y'all watching, man, Alphonso Layz, that's who y'all need to be rooting for.
Perfect. And what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Edit more, create more, organize more, because it's never enough time. If you work an 8-hour job, you only got 16 hours in the day left, and you're gonna sleep 8 of that. So an extra 2 hours would really help with organization.
That's dope. And then, when you messaging your fans or whatnot, what are y'all chatting about? What are they expecting when you're talking to them?
Always work at a high level with great talent and continue to change your modes. Never stick to one lane if you can always generate more funds building bigger. And always make sure that the quality outlasts the quantity. Always.
The reason I'm asking is because I'm here with super creators today.
Okay.
And they help creators, saving them hours throughout the day with back-end help with the CRMs, with tools with messaging, a bunch of stuff. So, yeah. So
I think it's dope. I think if you get it organized, you don't have to fight the messages. You can get more work done, and then all of the messages that are verified, approved, it makes life a lot easier. So, yeah, I rock with it.
that's awesome. Appreciate it, man. Where do you want people to find you?
Alphonso Layz on Twitter, Alphonso Layz on Instagram. Just look up Alphonso Layz, and that's ALPHONSO LAYZ.
There it is. And I'm Javi Mack. Thanks for watching.
Javi!